Let's make Indian style masala pasta within 20 minutes. Masala pasta is so delicious. Just give it a try, you will love it. Let's move to the video. First, we need to cook the pasta. For that, in a pan or container, take some water enough to boil the pasta. Add 1 teaspoon oil to it. When the water starts boiling, add 2 cups of pasta to it. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Drain the water and keep aside for later use. Next, we can prepare the masalas. For that, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon butter. Then add 5 chopped garlic, 1 chopped green chilli. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, add paste of 3 tomatoes, half teaspoon chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, saute it well for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, add 1/4 cup of water. Boil it for 3 minutes on low flame. Then add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce. Mix it well. Cook for a minute.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add the previously cooked pasta to it. Also add 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our tasty masala pasta recipe is ready. We need only 20 minutes to make this delicious masala pasta recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.